Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use HeyGen.com. This is an AI tool to clone yourself. So what that means, in the future if you wanna create content for your YouTube channel or wherever, you'll be able to use existing clone of yourself. So you don't have to record yourself anymore with cameras. So let's go and check it. But before that, you will find the link to try the platform for free and totally for free in the link below in the description of this video or in the pinned comment. After signing up or signing in, this is the dashboard of the platform. So you have photo avatar, you can create a video, and you have the credits right here that you can use to create avatars. Now those are the plans for, the tool. You can choose the plan that suits you the best. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go back from here and we're gonna create our first instant avatar. So just follow the steps. So click on instant or free instant avatar, and after that will take you directly to this intro. They will explain the tool and how it works and how you should record yourself. So click on get started, then they will give you some instructions. You can see the instructions in a video or on text. So here are the recommendations. So submit at least 2-minute footage, high resolution, well fit and quiet environment, and you should look directly into the camera, pause between each sentence with closed mouth, and use generic gestures. So here you can check their generic gestures that you may use in your video. I'm gonna show you how I recorded my video and how these are some things to avoid. So stitches and stuff, you can read it right here. Then what you need to do is to click on next step and upload your video. Now what you need to do is very easy. You go and click on upload footage. So I'm gonna click on here. So what you can do is directly pass a drive link directly from here, or you can drag and drop your footage here. So I'm gonna click on browser or browse local files, and I'm gonna choose a file on my computer. So here is my video that I prepared. So I'm gonna put it right here. Now I'm gonna show you the video right here. So as you can see, I am not moving. So you have to fix the size of the video, and here your face should be in the middle. Don't move your face. The eye contact should be with the camera directly. Your lips moving when you talk, it should be clear. You should stop when you have pauses, and that's it. So you're gonna wait for the video to upload, and when it's uploaded, what you're gonna do here, you can see, of course, you check the marks so your face is visible at all time. You're looking directly into the camera. There are pauses between sentences. The environment is well lit and quiet. So click on here, and after that you just wait for it to load and directly upload it. So here, as you can see, you have an optional, so you can opt in to allow HeyGen to use your footage to optimize future AI models. So you can click on here if you want to help them improve their service. It's gonna be a benefit for you. So just check everything here and click my footage looks good. So click on here, and here you're on one step away. So to prevent misuse of technology, they will just need to confirm the person in the video and that it's you. So here you'll be able to record a consent. So click on here. So here, as you can see, they will say, please record a quick video reading the following scripts. You can choose the language, and here the scripts say, your name, hereby declare that I authorize HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar and use it in my HeyGen account. So what you're gonna do is just click on here. So sorry, let me just scroll down on here, and here the mic is active. So you can choose the mic that you want, and here you choose the web camera, and after that you click on preview the script right here. So click on start recording. So here is the script. So I'm gonna start recording the script for you. Mode officiel. Hereby declare that I authorize HeyGen to use the footage of me to build a HeyGen avatar and use it in my HeyGen accounts. So here, as you can see, the footage, so we can hear it from here. After that, you scroll down on here. We're gonna wait for it to validate. So it's gonna take up to 10 or 20 seconds. After that, so you don't have any steps. Let me just remind you, you have an intro, you read more about it, you have the instructions, and here you can upload the video, then you have the consent. After that, you click on submit. It is approved. Now your video is uploading. We're gonna wait for the video to be uploaded. It's gonna take some time, so we're gonna get back to you. So finally, our video has been uploaded, so my instant avatar is being created and will be ready in just a few minutes. So I'm gonna be wait for them to notify me by email. Let me just click on done right here, and let me just show you more options that we have right here. So you can click here on avatar. Now we have many avatars we can use. Now I created an avatar. Here you can see this is the timing or the percentage of the avatar to get ready. So I'm gonna wait for it. Now here, if you click on photo avatar, we'll be able to see some demos that we can use. This is a great, tool. So you can, for example, if you don't want to show your face, you can use, for example, this avatar. What is gonna happen is that you're gonna, for example, speak, enter the text, and after that someone or this character like the Mona Lisa or Elliot gonna be talking instead of you. You're gonna be lip syncing your character. So if you click, for example, on this one right here, you'll have a preview of it. So you just click on create video, so you decide landscape or portrait. Then when you click on here, it will just start recording your voice and he gonna be speaking instead of you in the environment that you want. Now going back on here and click on my instant, avatar, finally my avatar is ready. So what I'm gonna do is to click on check it out. So here it is ready and I have no problem. So again, when I click here, let me just go back from here and you can hear it. Hey Modi official, your instant avatar is ready. Feel free to create videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. So as you can see, this is amazing. So this is exactly me. It's like me talking with the same voice and the same environment that I did. So my advice for you is to create three avatars with three different or four outfits, and from that you'll be able to record any video for your YouTube channel, for example, like e-learning and tutorials, without recording yourself anymore in the future. You're just gonna exchange the video between the outfit that you have for your avatar. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget, go in the description below. You'll find the link to try the platform for free. You can click on it, or in the pinned comment, so you can click on this link again and it is totally for free.